Design work on Amazon and as a brand in general does not stop at your product detail page.
You are not your customer. Your customers will tell you what they want and what they like.
Asking a question and getting an answer is just a better customer experience.
You should be backed with statistics, and then your graphic designer can really create images for you.
Healthy tension is part of a meaningful conversation.
If your content is still in basic, obvious step, let's move it to premium.
The brand store is a great gateway to the first impression of your brand overall.
I was trying to figure out conversions for so many years. I can tell you that it's a bit of data and a bit of creativity.
Make your digital package, the text on your digital package, larger.
You know, Amazon hides review data now. You can only see the last 100 on any star rating.
Understanding what pain our buyers are trying to escape from.
Treat your copy as either seasonal to a specific season or evergreen.
If you don't have a plan, you plan to fail.
Show the true product, show its use case.
What matters more is the credibility and trust of the actual video content than the format and how professional it is.
Sure, you can make something look nice, but if it's not going to convert, then what's the point? It's a waste of money.
It's much easier to take something that's already working and then copy it.
So conversion happens when you talk to the audience that is looking for that.
From the perspective of how consumers now engaging on Amazon to find a potential product and make a purchase.
Make them think that you are giving them some form of real value.
When we're doing the bullets, we want to lead with benefits and follow with features.
A supplement is going to be a product. Once a brand stick or person buys that, generally they're just going to buy it over and over again.
People want to know exactly what's in the package and how much they're getting.
No one reads the bullet points. Okay, we've left that to the bot.
I think it's important, especially for creative, to ensure that the agency you're working with has experience working generally with your brand.
It's not about selling some crazy new product. Sometimes it's just launching 4 new colors.
Go get the reviews from everyone else. See what people are complaining about, what people like.
QR codes are actually great in this day and age to be able to build that audience off Amazon.
Vertical videos, of course, perform really well because, you know, they look really nice on mobile. We want the customer to see as much information as possible.
That we are not focused on profit in the first 90 days. We are focused on building momentum.
If you know their key motivations, why they're buying this product, your listings will be so much better.
You can drive all the traffic in the world to your listing, but if your listing isn't ready to convert, you're just wasting money.
Asking the right question is far more important.
So much possibility here when you understand what your customers actually do with your product.
Users tend to perceive more attractive products as easier to use.
You're going to grab attention and you're going to give them what they want.
You decide what matters most and build your visuals around that.
When you figure out what works, you can implement it into your system and you know your avatar. Remember that.
It's really about communicating. We're trying to have these conversations. We're trying to make our pictures evoke emotion with people.
You can explain a ton of information in 15 to 30 seconds using video.
If you don't know the nuances of a product space, you will miss things that most people know already.
Product packaging has a very direct impact from a design standpoint for how end consumers like it.